Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important and free AI template which is very useful for us to analyze your reference paper section wise, and you can make a detailed literature review using this AI template. So those who are doing review paper, that is writing review paper, so you can make use of this free AI template to write your review paper very better. So you can make a section wise analysis of this review paper, then AI will analyze that particular section and give you a better content for your research paper. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore with different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and we are going to bring better content out of it using our research prompts, which will be very useful for us to make our research paper writing simple. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. In this workshop, we are going to optimize that buck and boost converter parameters, that is designing of LNC parameters for buck and boost converters. We are going to make a open loop simulation, and after that we are going to make closed loop simulation with PID controller and how to do PID tuning app with different optimization method. So these are the things we are going to discuss in the session 1. In session 2, we are going to model PV and wind with power converters, that is we are going to incorporate that converters with renewable energy sources, and also we are going for grid integration. So this is all about that session 2. So next one is EV charging station with DC to DC power converters, that is grid integrated EV charging station and then standalone EV charging station. How DC to DC power converters are useful for that EV charging application. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. So the link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that, so go to LMS Research Support, LMS Research Support, it leads to the website here. So here you can see that. So this is the AI chatbot. So there are different AI templates are available for research paper writing, starting from summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, generate MATLAB code, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text, chatbot, plagiarism reducer. So these are the different templates available. So for literature review alone, you will be having 5 different templates. Among the 5 important literature review templates, we are going to discuss that one template which will be very helpful for us to make section wise analysis of your reference paper. So this is called chat with your paper. So just click on this chat with your paper. So here you will be getting a dashboard like this here, chat with paper dashboard. So in this chat with paper dashboard, what you have to do is you have to copy the sections, the particular section of the particular paper, that is reference paper. The only thing is that you have to download your reference paper. So copy and paste the content here and ask anything you want related with the particular paper, and it will generate a better, that is it will analyze the content and will generate a better solution for you. That is very important. So in order to explore this template, I am going to take a random paper. So this is the random paper I am going to take, exploring the feasibility and performance of a perovskite antimony solid 4 terminal tandem solar cells. So this is about solar cells, feasibility and performance. So here you can see that abstract. So what you can ask in this particular abstract, copy that abstract, go to chat with paper, so and then submit text of the paper. So this text of the paper will be submitted. So here you can ask from the abstract, make 4 important key points about this paper. So like that you can give an input prompt. So it will generate answer for you. So the important thing is that yes, you can see that 4 important points are generated, crisp and clear important points are generated. The paper explores the potential of a 4-terminal tandem solar cell surpass the Shockley-Queisser limit observed by single junction in solar cells. The study addresses the challenge of creating cost-effective and highly efficient tandem solar cells. Next, calculation using, so like that 4 important key points from that abstract will be generated. So this is how you can analyze every section of your reference paper, and you can generate a better content out of it. So this is what we can ask in this abstract. Refresh again. So we will explore with some other question. So here you can see this is the introduction part. So the introduction part may comprises of different literature reviews. So copy that introduction part, go to the template here. So this is the template, I have refreshed it. So copy and place the template, and then submit text of the paper. So after that, from the above literature review content, generate a problem statement and research objectives. So like that you can give an input prompt. So from the literature review only we can identify our problem statement, what is the problem associated with the particular work, and then we will make a formulate a research objective. So this is how your problem statement and research objective will be generated. So here you can see this is the problem statement. Despite the potential for high efficiency in tandem solar cells, challenges remain in forms of cost effectiveness, scalability, the integration of low cost subcells such as perovskite, antimony, 𝐸𝐴𝐬𝐿 materials in 4 tandem. So like that it has generated a problem. After that it is arrive at a conclusion for our research objectives. So this is how you can generate a better content using this chat with PDF, that is chat with paper. So next what you can do is copy the if you want doubt in any section of the paper, you can copy whatever the section you want. You can copy 2 pages also, 200 pages also. So whatever the content related with that particular session, so you can copy and paste the content, and you can generate a better answer out of it by using this AI support. So after that you can copy the results. So here you can see that the results are available. So without conclusion, go back. Without conclusion you can copy and paste the results. So here the important thing in simulation results are, so it has to justify or explain the work it has done, and it has to compare with the previous work carried out in that particular area. So like that you can copy and paste the content here. So here this is the results, simulation results and discussions. So you can give an input, before that submit text of the paper, and then you can give an input prompt. From the above literature simulation results and discussions, make a comparison that which method is superior. So like that you can give an input prompt. So after that let us see how it will generate content. So click on ask questions. So from the results and analysis part of your research paper, so this is the thing you can ask. So you may have any doubts with that MATLAB, so how it is generated or how the waveform occurs, so like that it will generate a answer. So here you can see that better answer will be generated based on the simulation results and discussions provided. It can be concluded that 4 tandem solar cell configuration with wide band gap perovskite top cells, bottom cells, so like that it is generated a detailed version of that content. So you can make use of this content, and whatever you want you can make use fully. So that is very important. So moving on to our next session, so refresh again. So moving on to our next, that is next session in the sense results and discussions part of your research paper. So in that after results and discussions parts, you will be having conclusion part. So copy that conclusion part, paste the conclusion part here, and you can give submit text of the paper. So what is the thing you can ask related with research? You can ask from the above conclusion, please provide future scope of the paper or further development of the paper. So like that you can ask questions. So after analyzing the result, A will generate a better answer for you. The future scope of the paper includes further optimization of individual subcells in a tandem solar cell structure to improve overall efficiency. Additionally, the potential for scaling up thin flame of solar technology using this kind of that is cells. So like that it will generate a better content using this chat with paper. So this is very important for those who are carrying out review paper writing. So probably your review paper writing may take up to 1 or 2 months to write a review paper, to a detailed review paper. So you can make use of this option to make your review paper very precise and correct, and also you can get you can get rid of plagiarism problems also using this tool. So you can make use of this option. So here there are different templates available to reduce plagiarism also. So here you can see that paraphrasing, plagiarism reduction template are also available to reduce plagiarism in this that is content generated by any of the AI tool. So the important thing is that you can access all our AI templates 7 days for free. So that is very important, and you can get unlimited access to make use of this particular AI templates. So apart from this, you can see the plans and pricing options. So here you can see this is the LMS AI basic plan, there is 0 plan, so you can have unlimited access for 7 days. Next, LMS AI Pro plan at just 99, so you can have unlimited access for our Pro plan templates. Next, LMS AI Ultimate plan at just 199, so you can have access for all our templates for 1 month. So next one is 999, so LMS AI Premium plan, so you can access our AI templates for 1 year. So the important thing is that every month a new template will be updated regarding research paper writing. So next one is LMS AI that is Ultimate plan plus 699, is LMS AI Premium plan plus at 4999. So these are the different pricing plans. Are struggling to write conference paper for your presentation in IEEE and Springer conference paper, get rid of that, we will do it for you. So you will write a better conference paper with that is on IEEE and Springer, and you can just present that. We are having fundamentally basically correct simulations. So from the simulation we will develop a paper and results for your work, that is conference and that is conference paper writing work. So next one is plagiarism removal services. So in this plagiarism removal services, we will reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So the important thing is that without changing the core meaning of the content, we will remove plagiarism. So you can make use of this option. All this can be done by our experts only. So this is all about that LMS research support AI tool. So you can access LMS AI tool 7 days for free. So you make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easier, especially literature review. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.